Bullish District0x cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 15 cents and 34 cents by 2030. Market examiners accept DNT could reach 15 cents by 2025. Bearish District0x market cost expectation for 2022 is 2 cents. District0x presentation. District0x is a decentralized commercial center controlled by Ethereum. The stage permits clients to make and deal with their own web-based commercial centers, called locale. Locale can be utilized for anything from trading labor and products to making a web-based casting a ballot framework or dealing with a local area discussion. The District0x organization is based on the Ethereum blockchain, and that implies that it is secure, straightforward, and carefully designed. All exchanges on the stage are put away on the blockchain, so they can't be erased or changed. This makes District0x ideal for organizations and people who need to make a protected and dependable commercial center. The District0x stage is still being developed. However, the group has proactively sent off 2 effective regions, Ethlance and Name Market. The District0x group is proceeding to chip away at new highlights and upgrades for the stage, so we can hope to see considerably additional astonishing areas later on. What is District0x? District0x is a stage that empowers clients to quickly lay out their own decentralized stages that are overseen by a decentralized independent association structure. It is promoted as an organization of decentralized commercial centers and networks. These stages may be generally settled free of charge on the District0x and are each alluded to as region. The interesting D0 Zinfer system, which offers a bunch of key brilliant agreements and libraries clients might use while developing their locale and empowers an extensive variety of potential use cases, drives the environment. District0x Central Examination. The local badge of the District0x network is called DNT. DNT is an ERC20 token that is utilized to get to specific elements on the stage, like democratic privileges and administration. It can likewise be marked to procure prizes from the convention's expense structure. The group behind District0x has insight in building decentralized applications, which provides them with a solid comprehension of the space. They are likewise upheld by a few notable financial backers, which adds believability to the venture. District0x Objective. The objective of District0x is to address a portion of the failures related with planning and running dispersed local area markets. It achieves this by offering a wide determination of savvy agreements and front-end libraries that engineers can use to rapidly lay out their own regions, and by offering a clear stage for nearby government. Engineers can make a locale for nothing, dissimilar to different stages that request an expense to distribute new applications, but they should pay a refundable store to be remembered for the region vault. Different prosperous areas with different shapes and purposes have proactively risen up out of this straightforward access stage. The decentralized work market Ethlance, the distributed ends names market Name Market, and the image industrial facility region, which offers a clear point of interaction for the age of remarkable computerized resources, are probably the most notable locale. Essential innovations. The stage consolidates the interplanetary record move convention, Ethereum, and Aragon as its 3 essential innovations. Regions. Regions are facilitated on the Ethereum blockchain. Notwithstanding, the District0x network involves Aragon as its administration layer, giving DNT partners admittance to administration privileges and the capacity to impact the development and working of their preferred locale. To wrap things up, the District0x site source code and client transfers inside locale are served by means of IPFS. District0x current cost. District0x is presently worth 3 cents USD. DNT has moved 10.14% as of now with an exchanging volume of $36,360,408. District0x is presently positioned 614 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $18,954,165 USD. Using the overall strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union dissimilarity from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for District0x to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize constant District0x market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market action. District0x Value Forecast 2022. District0x, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The DNT cost figure for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to 5 cents. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be steady, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging 4 cents in cost is very aggressive, yet it is doable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and headways. DNT is supposed to have a base worth of 4 cents. District0x Value Expectation 2023. In 2023, District0x DNT cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of DNT will before long outperform 8 cents. In any case, we ought to hold back to check whether the DNT's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, DNT will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 7 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 7 cents. District0x value expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 12 cents and DNT might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. DNT is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 11 cents and a low of 10 cents in 2024. District0x value expectation 2025. Assuming District0x effectively supports market opinion among digital currency aficionados, the DNT coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, DNT will be green in 2025. The DNT is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at 15 cents, with a base cost of 14 cents and a typical cost of 14 cents. District0x value forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the DNT cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 18 cents by 2026, with a base cost of 17 cents anticipated before the year's end. Besides, DNT has a greatest value worth of 19 cents. District0x value forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 21 cents. On the off chance that DNT figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of 23 cents. Neglecting to assemble the help DNT needs by 2027 could bring about a low of 21 cents. District0x value forecast 2028. While DNT is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at 24 cents and a yearly cost close above 26 cents in 2028. District0x value expectation 2029. By 2029, District0x will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be 28 cents and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of 30 cents, averaging out at 29 cents. District0x value expectation 2030. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to estimate future price tags with accuracy, but all expectations ought not be taken as monetary counsel and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest DNT cost in 2030 is projected to be 34 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 30